Hello students, let's begin today's lesson from 7th standard geography. First chapter, environment. So environment, the place, the people, things and the nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Environment is the combination of natural and human-made phenomena. While the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth, the human environment reveals the activities and creation and interaction among the human beings. So now let us know about the natural environment. Land, water, air, plants, animal comprises the natural environment. In the natural environment, we could see land, water, air, plants and animals which comprises the natural environment, and lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere are the domains of natural environment. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere and biosphere are the four main domains of the natural environment. Let us know detailedly about these four domains of natural environment. Let us learn about the lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard layer of the earth, and it is made up of rocks, minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It contains various landforms such as mountain, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. These landforms are found over the continent and also on the ocean floors. And the hydrosphere, the next one, it is a domain of water. The hydrosphere refers to domain of water. It comprises various sources of water, the different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. And the third one now, atmosphere. Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it and it protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of number of gases, dust and water vapors. Now the fourth one is the plant and the animal kingdom together makes the biosphere. Biosphere is the kingdom of plant and animal and the living world. It is the narrow zone of earth where the land, water, air interact with each other to support the life. Now let us know about what is ecosystem. The relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings forms the ecosystem. Ecosystem is the relation between the living organisms and their surroundings. It could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lakes, rivers, ocean and even a small pond. Now let us know about the human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They learned to grow crops, domesticate animals and lead a settled life. Industrial revolution also enabled a large scale of production and transportation becomes very fast. Information revolution made the communication easier and speedy across the world. So that's what you have in this lesson, environment. The natural environment, what is environment, biotic and non-biotic condition, natural environment. You have the four domains of the natural environment, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere, and the ecosystem and the human environment.